a Kartushka in Brezhe, which is part of the country which went from Poland to Russia to Poland to Russia. At the moment that they were born and lived there, it was Russian. It's a small town. My grandfather was a very famous teacher. He was called the Rav, and he lived there, and he taught a great many people. And he recognized the ability of Kadia, and he taught her way beyond what women in that particular area were taught. He was a very interesting man. He made cigarettes. He had a little machine. He taught me to make the cigarettes. Of course, I didn't pack them very well, but I did it. And he did a lot of teaching when he came here. He was teaching most of the rabbis or young people that became rabbis in Philadelphia. He was a friend of Rabbi Rosenthal, and he actually led my first son's Picnic Ben and Brezhe. He came over quite often. And my grandfather took me everywhere. He tried to teach me Hebrew. And he made me learn to read, which I do. I read Hebrew. I don't understand it, and this was my tzina to him. He would say read, and I would say translate. And he would say read first, and then we'll translate. And I would say no, translate first, and then read. I guess I was, in a way, my mother's rebellious nature.